You're from France.
The conference.
Yeah. Actually, what happened to your phone?
The phone no on.
Cannot on.
No on.
Suddenly cannot on, or you drop, or water.
No water. Don't understand what is happening.
Suddenly
Suddenly
cannot on.
cannot on.
Okay. I check
Okay.
Model 12 Pro Max katanya tiba-tiba mati. Cuma abang cek motherboard. Okay. So abang cabut bateri, pasang balik. Alhamdulillah hidup. Link dekat bio. Street phone fix.
Ah, c'est bon.
Nothing problem. I just unplug the battery.
Yes.
I check the motherboard. Everything is fine.
Okay.
Then I put back the battery. The phone turn on normally. Okay.